Howdy howdy, and welcome to an unboxing, review, whatever setup the hell you want to call this, of a new computer. Now, my computer here, little Inspiron 3650, it quit on me recently. CPU went out of it, and quite honestly, a CPU would cost more than a computer did. So instead, I ordered this whole thing. Dell G5. Now, there are a lot of setups to one. So, G5 is just the model, look, number, some basically. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like how you have, you know, like a Chevy Silverado. There's different kinds. They have different things on them. So let's just show you what this one has. Alright. So we got it all opened up. Let's see what's in here. I ended up standing up for this anyway. God, I didn't want to stand for this. Since when do I stand? Oh, yeah. Nice little mouse. This is a standard Dell mouse, of course, but just this nice little mouse. I don't need that because I got this stuff, but you know. Link to that video in the description. And power cord, kind of important. Like 9 out of 10 computers require a power cord. The other 1%, the other one computer is that computer. It's dead. No point in having it anyway. Open! Oh, I'm stupid. I can't open. There's a Dell keyboard. Once again, I don't need it. I got the Orsley set, but it's nice to have. Close again. Box. Damn it. But none of that's what you guys are here to see. None of that's what I'm here to see either. I'm here to see what's right there. Holy shit, it's slippery. Goddamn. They couldn't have packed this worse. But here it is, get up of there. There she be. I do not have the table space for this, go away. No one needs that. Take that. Yeah, it's packaging. Holy shit. Look at that. Wow. That's a nice looking computer. I like it. I like it. Now this Dell G5 comes with customizable LED light, two 2.5 expansion slots for SSDs or 2.5 hard drives, a 10th gen hex core i5, comes with 8 gigs of RAM pre-installed and 4 slots total for RAM, a terabyte hard drive, a GTX 1660 Ti with a DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort, a total of 4 USB 2.0s, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, 5 USB 3.1, 4 on the back, 1 on the front, and 1 USB-C on the front. Oh, you went to that screen by default? Okay, you know what, that's fine.
1 hour later.
He lives. This is what I want to show you next. Though you've probably already seen it, I probably already put it in. But I want to show it to you anyway. Because it's kind of cool. Welcome to me. I want to go to this. Alright. Morph. Oh, I killed it. What the hell? What does this do? Hey! Look at this shit. You can just make it any color you want, at all. Change the brightness and make it dim. Tempo? More. Oh! I can make it go between the two. Make it go fast. Do things. Do things. It's doing things. Oh, that's terrifying. Low. That. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying this out. I'm just going on a fly. Dark. Thank you. Okay, that's kind of peculiar.
What?
What it's doing. just goes and then it flashes back. How about breathing? What's this? What does this do? Breathe. That's horrifying. That's scary. That's scary. What's this? What does this do? Oh. Hey, look at this one. Yeah. Let's go in duration. Let's see what it does. Hey! I can make these match it. I can give my little remote and do things. This isn't what I want. I want it to be blue. I want it to be a singular color. And be blue. Dark blue. Darker. There we go. Say that. What's this do? What does this do? Oh! It shows me all the stuff. Shows me the temperature and whatnot. That's kind of cool. That's a cool background it has. Oh, now I'm just kind of loving this thing. Ooh. Okay, so basically, cool computer. Cool shit. I love failure. Yeah, I don't know what to say here other than it's got a pretty light. It's got a nice graphics card and CPU in it. I'm excited to use it. That's pretty much it. That's all I got.